LM is a tangent at M. MO is the radius. Therefore, LM is perpendicular to MO. Hence, LO is the hypotenuse of right triangle LMO. Applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle LMO, LM square equal to 13 square minus 5 square. So LM equal to root 144, which is 12 centimeter. Consider triangle LMO and triangle LNO. Clearly, angle LNO is also 90 degree. So angle LMO equal to angle LNO equal to 90 degree. LO is common to both the triangles. And MO equal to NO equal to radius. So triangle LMO congruent triangle LNO by RHS criterion. So by CPCT, LN equal to LM equal to 12 centimeter. MO equal to NO equal to 5 centimeter, which is the radius. Now we know all the sides of the quadrilateral. So required perimeter is 12 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5.